channel. Today I will be doing not a try and all, but some finds that I got from Ross. Most of them is from Ross, if not all is from Ross. I realized that I have two big bags in my closet. You know, I've been going through stuff and I was like, I can actually do a vlog from Ross. This top that I'm wearing is also from Ross and it is beautiful. See that? So this is one of them. I did wear this today. So I just wanted to show you guys, and I decided to do this video tonight. I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I got. They are beautiful, and you know, you can rock them because it's been since September, October, probably not September, probably October or November since I start buying stuff, and I don't wear most of them, to be honest, but I'm gonna show you guys. You know what, some of them is not from Ross. Let me put them aside. I'm not even going to show you guys. Alright, the first thing is this is cute. Let me tell you guys the price. It is $18.99. You know, you can dress this up. It do have a pocket. This is really nice. I haven't wear this one as yet, so this is still brand new. Okay, that's the first thing. Let me see if this is from, yeah, this is $12.99, and this is a leggings. You know, it's leather, it's a wear, so we're in the mix. It is very long, all the way to the ankle. I really love this. I hope you guys can see it. This is how it looks. It do have a high-waisted area, which is broad, or should I say big. It's broad, yeah. It's in a size large. The next piece, this is $12.99, and I think this is really cute. This is a top. You can probably wear this with a jeans or something. I have a brown pants from Zara. I could rock this with it. This is in the size medium. It is stretchy. This is a jeans top. This is also from Ross. It is in a size large. This is how it looks. I love it because it has a split at the side. There's pockets on both sides, and it's kind of big. So, and this is $13.99. I really don't want to try all the stuff, but this is how it looks. Oh my god, I love this top. Actually, this is a top that I was gonna wear. It's a little bit big. It's extra large. I love this. This one is $30 because this is a brand. Okay, so oh. Alright, let me show you guys the details. It's black buttons, and the name is right here. It's in an extra large. I actually tried this on. It's fitted a big size though, but this is the details. It's really pretty, and yeah, this will look good. I did try this on with a leather shorts, and I was like, I'm not wearing this today. I like it. So it's a Karl Lagerfeld. Okay, so Google it. I really do love it though. It's real beautiful. I think I'm gonna go and see if they have the large and return this one, because I probably bought this 2 weeks ago. So this one, I buy this since my mom is here. And some people might think, you know, why should I buy so much from Ross? Why not Burlington? Why not Marshalls? Me personally, I have luck in Ross. Whether it's stuff for the house and stuff for that, I personally have luck in it. I know which Ross to go, and that's what's up. And it's like I know the time to go. So right now I actually have two stuff sitting and I need to return them, but guess what, you never know. let's move on. All right, this other piece, let me see if it's a Ross. Yes, this is from Ross, but this is what I fit on last night. I did try this on. This fits me perfect, okay? When I tell you this flat ass look fat, it does. This is perfect. This is in a size large. I actually thought this would have fit Janae because I didn't know it had so many stretch, but when I came home I was like, this is for me. So this is a shorts, a leather shorts. It has string, you can tie it. It is real beautiful. There's no pocket. I wonder if I realize since I have the tongue ringing, I'll be twisting my words. Yeah, there's no pockets and stuff like that. Really nice. I cannot tell you guys the price because it did came off last night when I was trying on stuff. So I think these two would have looked good together with the black. And then I was gonna wear a pink bag with it, and I was like, I'm not wearing you today. All right, these are from Ross too. I went all the way. Where did I go? I think I was in Lake Mary, you know, over this side there, and I stopped in a Ross. I went to Lake Mary for something, and I saw a Ross, and I was like, hey, let me go in a Ross. This one is $22, $21.99, and I bought this probably about October. I love it. It's for, you know, if you're feeling chilly. I did try this on. It's really cute with jeans, so I really do love this. This is how it looks, and you guys can see the details on it. So this is really nice, and it's stretchy too. Oh, this is new. This is for $24.99. I love this. Even though I have an orange jacket already, by the time you guys see this video, you will definitely see that I have a orange jacket already. But I love it. It's not that puffy like the one I have. So this is how it looks. I really do like it. And if you know for dress, people know me stop dressing up, you can fix it, because having so much kids, it's just not the time to titivate up. Just do your makeup and your hair and I'm good. Alright, this one is $24.99. This is a Kenneth Cole, by the way. It's extra large, so it fits perfect. I have another top like the one I just showed you guys, and I absolutely love that one. Jesus, Janice want this. She loves this one. Even though, oh yeah, it do have stuff on it. If you guys look careful, the style, I love the cut and I like the neck area. So I love this. This one, it's in a extra large, and this one is $22. They be extra with the first price for $78. I don't watch those prices because that's not what I paid for it. So I don't need to highlight that price. Alright, oh, I got this one. When you see the red tag, it's on sale. Clearance, so I got this. This was $19.99. I got this one for $9.99. It's Kenzie. It's in a large. I actually bought this for Janae. Didn't fit, so this is mine. It's another jacket. I think the jackets are a good cover up. You don't know, say, mommy have a little stomach, so the jackets help with that. I wanted to try this on. So yeah, this is cute. Alright guys, I'm not sure if this leggings is from Ross. I'm not seeing the tag. This is another leather tights. And let me put you onto something. Leather is wearing. If you're into leather, go to Ross. They have a lot. I have more to show you guys, by the way. This is a Guess leather ties. I think I get, if it's not Burlington, I think that's from Ross. Oh, and I have, you know, this person. We get in fit. I also have some active wears that I bought the other day. This one is $7.99. They are not in this set, but I guess these were from before. I wear a lot of leggings, short tights, back of tights, back of shorts, whatever you want to call it. I wear them daily. I honestly feel like they're easy. When I wear these, if I know that I'm going shopping, I wear this on the road. It's easy to pull stuff over those. I don't wear jeans because it's very difficult. This is one. I have a few more. Why the hell do I have two? Oh, one of them is for Ginny. This is, yeah, this is from Ross too. This one is $9.99. I think I have this one on. This one have bleach. This one bleach out. It's the same thing. Love it. Same medium. These are sleepwears. I normally use my cami or my camisole that I get from either Forever 21 or Walmart. Absolutely love those. And this one is $5.99. So these are just sleep shorts. Oh, I love this. This is $12.99. I do have this for myself and for Janae. So this is how it looks. I think I'm just gonna try all the vests on or jackets on so you guys can see them. I don't know if this one is mine. I think it can close. Let's see. I probably wouldn't wear it closed. But you know, it's real nice. Oh. Okay, girl. Okay. Love it and love the color. I mean, a lot of stuff is going well with this top. The white one. Is this from Ross? Yes. This is a large. Look at the material. I love it. What do you call, is it lap skirt? Shorts and skirt? What do you guys call it? There's another name. There's another name because I bought one from Zara and that's not the name. Lap skirt. Is it what's the name? Somebody leave it in the comment section. But this one do have buttons on it. I love it. They fit, these fit me so good. This is $12.99 from Ross and I love them. Oh girl, look again. This is also from Ross. It do have the shorts and the skirt. Is it called skirt? Skirt? Whatever it's called. You know what I'm talking. We call it lap skirt or we'll call it, is it lap skirt? You guys know what I'm talking, with the shorts and the skirt. This is $10.99. This is how it looks. I like the little design right here. Yeah, she have a buzz. When you put her on, should I try one on? When you put this on, it's like this area is a little bit down, so it's real beautiful. I'm not sure if I'm not even sure if this fit me. But we're gonna try it right now. So I think stuff like this kind of hide the stomach area. If you do have a stomach, you know, we could have go like this. It's not closed. I'm not sure if we can close it. I'm not gonna try, and I ain't got nobody to do it, okay? But this is how it looks. I just wanted to show you guys. I like that this is longer than the shorts. That's what I wanted to show you guys. You know when I wear this when I eat nothing on the road, and best believe me, if you see me, you might see me in this one with the bleach out. I don't play. When I dress though, I dress, okay? When I'm on fleek, like now, I'm on fleek, but sometimes I'm just not having it and I look like a bush tiger. Oh, look at this. I still have receipts, and you know, say this one zip is at the side. Look at this. You know, so I think I'm gonna start you with some clothes. I know I'm not gonna wear most of these, no joke. This is beautiful. I think this matches my complexion. Love it. It's the shorts at the back, skirt at the front. I just showed you one, so I don't think I need to try this on. It's in large, and this is $9.99. This cheap, man. She cheap. I think this is a little bit big. It looks a little bit big. I have some stuff that don't belong here. Yeah, I love this. I love these. This is $7.99. I buy these often and I wear them a lot. And then this was $5.49. It's a price reduce. You know, it's a little active wear from Ross also, which I don't have the stomach for that. Even my stomach no markup, but it have a little, it have some fat in it when it is suck out. This is, let me see if it's from Ross. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure, yeah, but the price is not there. I might try this on. It's a, you know, active lounge wear, which is in the size, I don't know, small, but it, you see, this one fits. If it can't fit me though, I'll give it to Jean. So this is like a house shorts or something. I love this tights. I love this one. I love this. These are active wears or stuff that I wear in the house, or you know, if I'm running to if I'm not dressed up, you know, I'll just throw one on because I wear these daily. This is $8.99. This is in the size large. This is how it looks. I like to get them with the pockets because sometimes my phone is in my hand when I'm on the road, or if you're working out and you can put your phone in it. So this is how it looks. Oh, we have another one. Girl, you went out. This is $7.99. This is in medium. This is how they look. I absolutely love these, and I'll buy 10 black and you think it's the same one I'm wearing. Oh, and you know which one I love? This is actually from Forever 21. I love these too. I wear these a lot, but my band from wear them up on the road. Alright, that bag is finished. Hope you guys enjoying the video so far. I'm going to go. We're going to check the next bag and see if you guys like it. I'll definitely try to insert some B-rolls so you guys can see the stuff a little bit better.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down?